welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan. Say hi, Daniel.
Hey.
We are cooking some of Daniel's famous curry today. He used to make this pretty much every single day when I was living in London with him, when we were roommates or flatmates. Okay. When we were flatmates in London. So he used to make it every week. Did you not?
I did, yeah.
And it was actually really delicious. I used to make fun of him all the time because that's all he made, but it was actually really good. So Chef Daniel is going to be directing us today. Do you want the onions diced?
Yes.
Okay. I'll try my best, but you know how I'm bad at cutting. Yeah. And you're just gonna throw all the onion and garlic in together.
Yeah. That just gets over literally everything.
Yeah.
All these veggies are just gonna get
Yeah. Is that enough mushrooms, you think?
That should be good, I think.
Alright, Chef Daniel, would you like to show us what spices we are using?
Yes. Okay, so we're gonna use some crushed chilies.
Crushed chilies. And we don't measure, do we,
Yeah,
Dad?
just kind of like
Throw it in there.
Depends how
So right
spicy
now
you
we
want.
got the onion and broccoli and mushrooms cooking in there and garlic, and we're just gonna throw in a few of the crushed chilies. Now this is spicy, so depending on your level of spicy, you're gonna need to adjust.
Definitely.
Am I right, Daniel?
You are right. So next, paprika powder.
Paprika.
So then again, you put
Again,
in,
just eyeball.
and also you can change the flavor. Like you can put more of other stuff if you like it. Blah blah blah. So that's the paprika.
What's next, Daniel?
So next, you're gonna add.
Next, we're adding some turmeric.
Yeah. And again, I just eyeball this, but
Yes.
you know,
Turmeric is very strong in flavor.
yeah, you probably just want like, I would say like a teaspoon, like because it is quite strong.
Sure. But
we'll-
it depends on how much you're making, right?
Exactly. and again, like what I do is I put the spices in, then later I taste it, and if I want to put more in.
So
then-
add less than what you would assume that you
Yeah.
need. Or maybe, yeah, don't add too much at first.
Yeah, because you want to play around with it. Next, what we're gonna add is some cumin.
Some cumin.
Just
Are we adding cumin?
kidding. We're adding cumin.
Is it cumin or cumin?
I'm pretty sure it's cumin. It is cumin for sure.
Cumin.
Cumin.
Cumin. We're add some
Okay.
cumin.
So we just want to add a little bit of this.
So this gonna give it the curry taste.
Kind of.
Cause cumin or
That was a lot.
cumin smell like curry.
It actually does.
Cumin smell
Smell
like
it.
curry. Oh goddamn, that curry taste.
This one is optional, but I know how much me and Rose love our spice.
Extra hot chili powder.
So we're gonna put a little bit of this in there as well.
Daniel's obsessed with the spice, even though he can't handle the spice.
There we go.
Are you gonna be hiccuping all throughout?
You bet. So then we're gonna kind
Is that all it for the spices?
That's it.
Very simple, Daniel.
It's super easy. Super easy. And then sometimes like add some salt and pepper, like not pepper,
Yes.
sorry, but like a little bit of salt or whatever.
Yeah.
And
And then you just mix that in together, and then we're gonna add in the lentils.
Yeah, so then we're gonna
This
do.
is a quick curry. So now the lentils. By the way, we did film a grocery haul of some of the stuff that we just bought. And I know some of you used to love my London grocery hauls, and I'm actually in London at this very moment, just for a week, but I'm staying at Daniel's, and we decided to make some of Daniel's famous cut it. Woohoo!
Because Rose loves my curry.
So yeah, if you want to see the grocery haul, then I'll leave a link to the grocery haul down below. It's very small, and yes, but it's still a grocery haul, so okay, so now at this point the vegetables are pretty much cooked. We're gonna put the red lentils in.
So we're gonna just throw them in here. But then when you do this, you want to quickly put in your water and your coconut milk.
Okay, so can I ask you,
Yeah.
why do you put in the lentils after the vegetables have cooked?
Because because the thing is, I feel like I just want to make sure that the vegetables are cooked all the way.
But why? I'm honestly just asking you for curiosity.
I don't know, I just think I don't know, especially the onions and garlic, I want them to like saute a
Yeah,
bit.
the onions and garlic, that makes sense.
Yeah,
but
and
I feel like you could add in to save time.
Yeah.
You could add in the lentils and then add the vegetables and then just add the water right in it, and that would save you
I
time.
also like cooking the vegetables and the spices as well, because then it kind of like soak them up more and stuff. I don't know, I feel like it tastes better.
Have you even tried it the other way, Dan?
I haven't, and I refuse to change my recipe, so you can do
Guys.
whatever you want,
Guys,
and I'm gonna do what I want.
I think from my own experience of life that we could possibly just add in the lentils. I think you saute the onions and garlic and then just add in all the other ingredients. And then the vegetables will just cook as the lentils are cooking. And because lentils take forever to cook, well, not that long, maybe 15 minutes to cook. Red split lentils, that's what we added.
Yeah.
And that's what you want to add because red split lentils cook much faster and they soak up a lot more of the liquid.
The juices.
The juices, so it becomes more thick when you cook your curry. So right now we've got coconut. Did you add the coconut milk?
I sure did.
Did you say you were adding the coconut milk?
Yeah, I said I'm gonna add the coconut milk.
Why would you not show me?
I don't know.
He added a can of coconut milk, did you?
Yeah, the full can. Well, I was telling you, and you were just too busy. You were distracted by my ridiculous good looks.
I was distracted because I was telling people why you shouldn't cook the way Daniel cooks.
I'll cook by myself.
Daniel.
I forgot what it's like cooking with you, Rose.
Daniel, do you not love me?
I love you.
Okay, so now what, Daniel? So we've got all the ingredients in here now.
Yes, with all the spices, everything. So now you just kind of leave it to simmer a bit. You stir it frequently.
Do you not let it like boil first?
Yeah, you like let it like just.
No. I think we should try. No.
I've had it where the lentils have burnt on the bottom.
No, but you let it boil first and then you let it simmer.
After.
Because then it'll be faster. I really think we should try that.
You just like to make everything faster. You know, the whole point of a curry is you allow it.
No, I know,
the
but like
spices
in the
to
beginning.
cook into it.
In the beginning, you let it boil very quickly. Yeah.
You make your own curry.
Daniel,
Get away
come
from me.
here.
I'm gonna eat my peanut butter and leave me alone. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep tonight.
So we have pineapple slices and juice. Now you could get the ones with pineapple pieces, but we just gonna have to chop it up.
Which will take 2 seconds.
Dan, use your chopping skills. So we've added a little bit of salt. So you can add as much salt or as little salt as you want. And as you can see here, it's cooking nicely. Now if you want to add more water, you can of course do that as you go. But a bit of a thicker curry doesn't hurt. And we're also going to add in the juices from this pineapple, which is going to make it nice and sweet.
Yep.
And that is a secret to Daniel's curry. No, very nice hack of chopping pineapple slices.
Let's see if it works.
Have you done that before?
No, well, no, I think I
So
have.
once it's almost done cooking, we're going to throw in the pineapple slices with the juice into the curry, and that is going to give it a very nice, sweet flavor. And we're all very excited about it.
We are.
And then just mix that in together, and we're going to cook it for another, what, 5 to 10 minutes?
Yeah, and then just have a little taste just to make sure it's like, you know, if you need to add any spices or salt or
there you
whatever.
go. We're very excited about this. So it looks like we're almost done this curry.
Oh God.
Oh God, Dad, you're gonna die.
That was a lot.
So I want Daniel to hiccup again, so we just added a bunch of chili powder, more chili powder. We just added a little bit more of all the spices.
So it wasn't quite the flavor that we wanted.
And then that's all, pretty much.